How to remove watermark from photo. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are clicking pictures from your phone and then you get an watermark from the phone, like for example shot on Poco, shot on Samsung, and you want to remove it, what you will have to do is go to camera, open your camera app and then tap on camera settings from your top left corner. After that, scroll down and you will see an option of watermark. Simply toggle this off like this and you will be able to remove watermark. But if you still want the watermark but do not want this right text, what you can do is you can just edit the text and save it. But if you already have pictures from where you want to remove watermark, you have no option but to use an editing app, photo editing tool, and remove it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.